Hey you guys, so it is Thanksgiving Eve. I just got out of the shower. I did a little bit of makeup because I don't know, I was just feeling like putting some makeup on. But I am getting ready to start cooking some of my dinner for tomorrow. I don't even know necessarily what I'm cooking first because I forgot to take the Cornish hen out, so that's probably going to be cooked for tomorrow. I know I can probably go ahead and make the peach cobbler, or maybe I may make it tomorrow so that it's like fresh and hot and ready to go. I'm gonna be making some dressing. I could probably go ahead and make the yams, the collard greens. Look, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what I got, and then I'll go ahead and tell y'all everything I'm making. Okay, so this is for the cobbler. Y'all, so I did some last minute shopping and they didn't have any more like fresh collard greens, so I had to get the Glory's. But Glory's, she's good too, so I'm just gonna sauce that up and make it, taste better or whatever. Pineapples for the ham. I'm gonna make me some yams, and I forget what this goes into, but these are just some beverages. I got some sparkling cider, some brown sugar. This is for the ham, I believe. Onions, cornbread. I'm making mac and cheese. I'm making dressing. I'm making Cornish hen. Let me see. Let me see if I just went down the list. Okay, Cornish hen, glazed ham, mac and cheese, dressing, yams, collard greens, and cornbread. I think that's it. I have the ice cream in the refrigerator. I don't know why I feel like there's something else I'm supposed to be making. I don't know, y'all, but I'm not going home this year for holiday. So it's just gonna be me and Roman here this Thanksgiving, and so I decided to make me like a small Thanksgiving dinner. I'm so excited because Thanksgiving is definitely one of my favorite holidays ever, because seriously, who doesn't like to eat? You know what I'm saying? So I just love Thanksgiving so much, the food, just everything. So I'm gonna be making me some dinner, and I'll see if I can like throw some clips in of me like making everything with y'all. But I'm gonna just be vibing to my music, and then maybe eventually I'll probably turn on like a nice little Netflix little movie or whatever like that. So and I just wanted to let you guys know, like, so if you're not going home for the holidays, it's okay. I know it can be hard for people, especially if you're used to spending the holidays with your family. I know for me, when I first joined the military, I got sent to England like literally in October, and obviously that's the end of the year where all the holidays are. So there was no way I could make it home for the holidays. So I missed Christmas, Thanksgiving, and New Year's that first year of being in the military, and it definitely hit me hard. Because I spend Thanksgiving or the holidays in general with my family. But after that, honestly, once I really just learned how to just, I grew pretty much and learned to be by myself. I don't mean that in like a lonely type of way, but like I started to be okay with, having my own lifestyle, doing my own thing, you know what I'm saying? So honestly, this year I'm not coming home. I got some other things going on, but it's okay. Like, I'm not bummed out about it. You know what I'm saying? But if you are able to spend the holidays with your family, make sure you're doing that. And if you're not able to, it's okay. Either see if you can have friends or somebody come by, or, just either be to yourself or go hang out with somebody. Me, personally, I like being by myself, so I ain't going to nobody's house. But anyways, yeah, that was my little rant. But yeah, I'm going to start cooking, and I'm going to see y'all later. Hey y'all, so I finished cooking. I'm about to literally grub on this food. I already started taking some bites, and so I already know it's good. I made peach cobbler. It just finished, so it's in the oven. But yeah, you guys, so I just want to say happy Thanksgiving to you guys. I hope you guys had a happy Thanksgiving. And make sure you guys grab on all that food and just really take the time to be appreciative and thankful for everything that you guys have in this world. But yeah, girls, so I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all go because I'm gonna grab on this food. I just wanted to say, hey girl, hey, and happy Thanksgiving to you guys. And that I hope you guys enjoyed watching me put my Thanksgiving dinner together. And I'll definitely see you guys in my next vlog.